Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how you can rename a conversation on Google Gemini app. To do this, you just need to go to Google Gemini app, open the app, and after opening the app, you just need to go to Recent, click on the arrow next to Recent, like that. And after that, you click on the three dots on the right of the conversation that you want to rename, like that. And you will have three options here: remove, pin if it's pinned, or pin if the post or the conversation is not pinned, rename, and delete. So if you want to rename it, you just click on rename. And for example, here I will rename it to just YouTube and click on rename. And as you can see here, the chat is renamed and I save it, so the name of the conversation changed. And I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel too. Also, share this video with your friends and see you in the next one.